Welcome to building your brick dream home, Cottage Edition. I'm here to provide some guidance on color, texture, mortar, and other design elements that'll help you achieve the brick cottage of your dreams. Let's go. Cottage designs are known for a quaint storybook look, mostly achieved through features like roof pitch, balconies, and entryway arches. They're designed to blend in with natural surroundings, so choosing the right color for the exterior is especially important. Brick is made in many colors, even several shades of white, a desirable look for most cottage exteriors. This home, for example, features Winter Haven, a timeless brick that will never have to be painted or maintained to keep looking beautiful for decades. Texture is important to overall presentation. Brick is perfect for cottage designs. Winter Haven features subtle impressions that provide a vintage appearance, while its straight edges still allows the home to maintain a clean look. Let's talk about mortar. Mortar makes up 25% of your overall wall color. The color you choose should complement your brick selection and overall design. If your brick cottage features a light color, choose a light mortar like Federal White, seen here. It'll help maintain a consistent tone throughout the exterior and enhance the clean white cottage appearance. The style of mortar joint can also add character to the final appearance of your home. As we see here, a concave joint works well with a straight edge brick like Winter Haven. Beyond colorways and textures, take your cottage design a step further with subtle features like soldier coursing around archways and windows, special shapes for stairways and walls. These small considerations can create a curb appeal second to none. I hope this has been helpful as you continue building your brick cottage. If you have questions about our products, we're just a phone call away. From me and all of us at General Shell, thanks for watching and good luck building your dream home.